It's day 2 of our Japan trip. We are going to Mount Fuji. Actually, we're going to lake something. Yung lake na yon overlooking kay Mount Fuji. Sana maganda yung weather today and makita natin si Mr. Fuji. Fasten your seatbelts daw, guys. Sabi, may outlet, guys. Pwede mag-charge ng laptop. Actually, today, kaya kami pupunta doon kasi yung isa nating tropa magpo-propose. Oo nga, feeling ko maririnig. And then tomorrow, Disney Sea. Yay! Yun talaga yung gusto kong puntahan. Gumagalaw na yung bus. So, kita-kits na lang tayo doon sa may lake. Kagkrok something. Alright. Ang lamig dito, guys. Siguro mga ano to, kasing lamig ng siguro mga 19. Found this little spot na kain daw muna kami dito. I think they have like hot pot type food. Not sure. Lumapit si John sa isang window and merong mga kumakain doon. Kala niya staff. So sabi niya, menu daw, guys. Ayokong videohan kasi medyo awkward kasi.
Pero naka-record ka nun. Pero sa'yo naka-record. Kala ko may drive-thru counter. Sorry, excuse me. Ang menu, please. Ito na.
Wagyu. This. Ito natin. Guys, Wagyu. Wagyu steak. Kaya natin si JR. Miss you, Jay.
Bench. Describe mo sa kanila kung anong dapat makikita.
Oh guys, so dapat dito sa likod, dapat nandyan si Mount Fuji, guys. Ano nakikita nyo? Wala, diba?
Ako nakikita.
Sky lang.
Hindi nyo ba nakikita?
Ha?
May ano.
Burahin nga natin. Dahil puro ulap, guys. Kailangan natin bumalik ng Japan. Yun lang yun. Kailangan natin bumalik dito pagka nandyan na si Mount Fuji. Airport pa naman ako, nagdala pa akong camera para picturean si Mount Fuji, oh. Hindi nagpakita. Yung ba talaga? Okay, so guys, meron ditong shop. Matcha and... What this?
Peach.
Matcha and peach. Dito ako sa got one. Titi tayo, go. Try mo. How is it?
Lasang damo.
That's interesting. What's yours? Okay, try it. She ordered lavender and blue rose. Don't know what that means.
Lasang blue rose ba?
Parang nga siyang air freshener. Air freshener to nga. Air freshener.
Try natin. Sabi nila, matcha first. Nalo yung peach.
Sarap yung peach.
Yung pagka-blend nung peach and matcha, nag-work naman. Pero parang hindi kami nilalamig eh, no? Nag-ice cream pa talaga kami.
It's called temperature delta theory.
Yeah, whatever. Kaya kulit sila. Dalawa tayo. 1, 2, 3. So dahil hindi namin nakita si Mount Fuji, punta na lang kaming Fuji Q Highland. Isang theme park dito. Sabi nila it's the most scariest theme park here. Kasi Halloween. Hindi, joke lang. Kasi sobrang ano ng mga rides. Sobrang... Guys, huwag nyo...
yung reaction.
Teka lang ha. Nagro-roll ako eh ha. Nakasira kayo ng take eh.
Ito sila si Joko eh.
Maganda yung mga rides nun. So, tignan natin kung sinong unang susuko o unang susuka. So, we're here. Fuji Q, Highland. Guys, let's go! We're gonna ride this big roller coaster right now. This roller coaster.
Thank you for your understanding.
Let's go! Let's go! You know, pasok na kaagad kami. World's Guinness record pala tong sasakyan namin. Kakayanin kaya ng mga powers namin to. There's 7 of us na magra-ride. We have James here, si Jolian, Sam, and then si Marcus, si John, tsaka si Catch. Yeah, 7 victims for today. Tignan natin kung... What? Ah, what? Huh? Huh? Nothing.
3.6 G-force.
Kinakabahan na sila, oh. Kinakabahan na yung mga... Tandaan nyo yung mga mukhang yan. Diyan. Yan. Tandaan nyo yan. Mamaya, hindi na nakangiti yung mga...
This is me before the ride.
This is me before the ride. This is me before the ride. This is me before the ride. This is me before the ride.
This is me before the ride.
This is me before the ride. Let's go! Okay, this is me after the ride. Basic, ang sarap. Sobrang saya ng ride.
This is me after the ride. Alam ko mamatay na ako.
This is me after the ride. My legs hurt for some reason. My knees are still shaking.
No, see, this is me after the
this is
ride.
me after the ride.
Wow, fake.
This is me after the ride.
This is me after the ride. Sam.
This is me after the ride.
Let's go.
One of the best rides.
Crazy, crazy ride.
So, boy pa naman sila, guys.
Nothing can prepare you. Buti umihi kami before we went.
Shower yun.
I'm alive. That's all that matters to me.
Try ko sumigaw eh, kasi yung sigaw ko parang Sakas yung ganun ata.
Like sa ocean.
Yun yun? Okay, let's go.
Wow, tapang na natin ah.
Basic. After riding that ride, parang kahit anong ride na masakyan namin, basic na.
Parang mas kinakabahan ako doon. Oo, the whole time kasi.
Now you know guys, kung pupunta kayong Japan, puntahan nyo pala to. Disneyland pa eh. Dito pala dapat. Disneyland would be so boring. De, joke lang. Siyempre gusto ko makita sila Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and the gang, you know. We're done for today. 3 rides, not bad. But those 3 rides were intense talaga.
Must go, must see.
So kailangan balikan tong Fuji Q.
Wag na kayo mag-Disneyland, Disney Sea. Fuji Q is the place to be.
Ang dami pang rides na hindi nasakyan eh. Sayang.
2 hours to get here from Tokyo. 2.5.
Agahan nyo lang guys. Pag sinabi nyo palang 6:30 ang alis,
6:30 yung bangon.
yun lang. Ikaw, kamusta? How was the experience today?
Ab workout.
Pero grabe yung last ride na nasakyan namin, Fujiyama. Akala namin yung first ride namin kanina would be the most intense. Pero the next ride we did, para siyang flying fiesta na umaangat pa siya tapos bumababa. Pwede ang salamin. So nakakita ako kasi hindi ako bulag. Tapos sobrang creepy pala nung pakiramdam nun. Lastly, yung third ride, fast. Sobrang bilis niya. Hindi siya isang drop lang. Pagka-drop na ganun, akala mo may gagawin pero aakit pala siya para mag-drop ulit. Hindi ka pa nakaka-recover dun sa unang drop. May isang part dun sa ride na parang nakalutang na ako sa... Yung puwet ko, wala na dun sa upuan, men.
Series of turns siya na nakaangat na. What?
So cool!
Si Marcos, siya yung katabi ko dun sa ride. Hindi na siya nagsasalita, guys, kasi nakatitig na lang siya sa harap.
I was trying not to pass out.
Yun nga, akala ko nga he was about to pass out. Nakasurvive naman, di ba Marcos? Sayang lang, hindi na sumama si Sam. Sayang. Sam, next time ha. So, ang dami pa naming na-miss na rides. So, definitely gonna go back here. Tapos, hindi rin namin nakita si Mount Fuji. So, definitely going back here. Yun, we out. Bukas na ulit. Bye guys. Ayun sila guys oh. Nagtatatakbo, let's go oh.